Hi everyone. This is our first intro lecture video on section 1C, sets and Venn diagrams for Math 120. So this is a rather short intro video here to this section. What are we dealing with in this section? In section 1C, you are dealing with sets. A set is a collection of objects, living or non-living. The members of a set are the specific objects within it. Sets are often described by listing their members within a pair of braces, with each member separated from the next by a comma. If there are too many members to list, we often use 3 dots to indicate a continuing pattern. So to give you a quick example, you have the set of pets in my current apartment. So in my current apartment with my 2 roommates that I have, we have 4 pets in total. We have Timon, who's a cat, Maximus, who's a dog, Junior, which is a dog, and Bailey, which is a cat. A visual representation of sets and describing their relationships amongst other sets is a Venn diagram. This is a diagram that uses circles to represent sets. Anything inside a given circle represents members of that set, and anything outside a given circle represents members that are not in a given set. So to give you some examples, you have the sets of cats and dogs in my current apartment. So in a Venn diagram, you have a gigantic box, and you also have these sets, right? So the circle here that says cats, all of the cats belong in that set. So that would be the 2 cats in my current apartment, which would be Timon and also Bailey. And the set of dogs, this would be the set that contains, so this is the set of dogs in my current apartment, right? So this would contain Maximus and also Junior. Now, sometimes in these Venn diagrams, you have an overlap of these sets. Some sets will be entirely contained in another set. Like in the second example here, the set of all mammals and the set of all whales. So a whale is a mammal. So if you're a whale, you're automatically a mammal. So that entire set of whales is inside the set of mammals. But not all mammals are whales, right? So inside this set here, the set that says mammals, now notice I'm drawing an arrow here at something that is inside the set of whales, right? So this would represent here a mammal that is not a whale. Anything inside the set of whales, this is going to be a whale. And anything that is not in either of those 2 circles, what is that going to represent? This is something that is not a mammal. There is much more to this section that we will explore tomorrow in tomorrow's lecture. And even though this is an intro video for section 1C, I will still be doing section 1A first. Seems kind of odd that I'm doing things out of order, but I felt it was much more appropriate to make an intro video to this section rather than section 1A. That is going to wrap up this lecture video. I would encourage you to do the following before tomorrow's lecture. Be sure to write down the definitions here for a set and also for a Venn diagram. Alrighty, everyone. I will see you when I see you.